Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. I enjoy building classic cars of TVs and movies and cars of a bygone era. If you like my content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the Ranchero update. I've gotten ahead and I've changed up a little bit. Here's the Ranchero Coca-Cola kit. And I went with a mint silk green body color. I just wanted to try something different. I knew that I probably was not going to go with the Coca-Cola livery on this build. But I even went a step further with my color choice. I've done something I have not done before, is I went ahead and airbrushed this finish. So I'm pleased with the way it turned out for my first try. Everything was a trial and error process. I went ahead and I painted some spoons, and I didn't buy a high-end airbrush kit. So let's have a look at that. I picked this airbrush kit up, a $30 kit off of eBay. I figured I really couldn't go wrong for the price. It's a dual action, can spray air or, fluid, so I was like, why not give it a try? I like the choices of the acrylic colors of the craft paint. There's so many variations I could choose from. And, that's what I did with this kit, so here's a look at the power unit, the little battery operated rechargeable compressor, and it comes with a 5 or 6 foot hose extension to hook up to the gun, so I don't have to have it right on top of the unit itself, which was handy. Overall, with my testing, it took, maybe 15-20 minutes to kind of get the hang of it. I had to get my mix just right. And the craft paint that I'm using is really thick, rich pigment base, so I had to thin it down. And the best part was thinning it down with water, so, it went really well. And I just made about 4 or 5 light passes to get the color to build up just the way I wanted it. So this was a metallic green, real light color, and I'm pleased with my color choice with this. I'm deciding on the interior. I'm kind of leaning towards a nutmeg or a cinnamon color, just something to be a little different. Here's a good look at the finish on it. I'm pleased with it. I'll go ahead and put a coat of clear when everything's said and done and the model's complete. But overall, I appreciate you taking the time to tune in and look at this update. I appreciate everybody who watches, and if you do, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing my content. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief, and I'll see you on the next update. Have a safe and blessed day.